How to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. So all you have to do is tap on the three dots on the top right of the post. So by doing so, it will open a menu displaying various options. So just select Edit. Now when you swipe through the images, you will notice a small trash can icon on the top left of each picture. So when you come across the picture that you want to remove, simply tap on this icon. So note that if your post has a lengthy caption, you will need to swipe down to view the top left corner of your image. So choosing delete will successfully remove the picture from the carousel. So Instagram will display a pop-up confirming the deletion. So just repeat these steps if there are more unwanted photos from the carousel. Once you've removed all unwanted images, tap Done, located in the top right corner to save your changes. And so that is how you delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.